In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use the Leap card on Train. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. All the information necessary for you to acquire and use a TFI Leap card is going to be available on the Transport for Ireland Leap card website. So go to about.leapcard.ie, and when you arrive at this page, you will be able to get all the information necessary for you to start using the Leap card. First, I recommend that you arrive on this page and you select Using TFI Leap on the home screen. In here, you have plenty of sections dedicated to helping you acquire these Leap cards around different regions and how to properly use them. Basically, use this section where to buy a TFI Leap card, and you can use the interactive map to find locations in which you can acquire these cards around Dublin and Ireland. As long as you acquire this card, and you top it up with balance, you will be able to use it on bus, train rides, etc. to pay for your fares around public transit in Ireland. Make sure you purchase the correct type of card. You will notice that there are different fares for different types, and as long as you have everything set up, you can go over to the top up window on the website on a physical agency or through the latest version of the mobile app, and you can manage your card. Just include the card number over here and top it up with balance according to the fare type and the price. Now, as soon as you have it topped up with balance on this page, you will be able to use it for train rides. So all that you have to do is physically place the card near the Leap card reader whenever you see it when boarding trains, and you will be good to go. You have to physically place the card and your balance is going to get used. There is no secret to using the card, and it is a very straightforward process. You will see the Leap card indicator whenever you are ready to board trains around Ireland, and it is super convenient to do and board them using the Leap card. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Leap card on Train. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.